Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is a free app that can save you $100 per month. So guys, I found this application that is very useful. So guys, make sure to download this application into your device and this will be available on the Google Play Store. So just simply open the application once you have downloaded it, and from here, it is a very simple interface. You will have home, which you should be able to see the overview of your expenses and income. So now, in order for you to add some expenses and income, just simply go for the transaction tab down below and select the plus icon. Now, here at the top, you can select if it's an expense or income and select a category. And of course, put a label on it and provide a description. And most importantly, the amount. So let's say the fruits cost me $2 and also make sure to provide a description and select save and tap on close. As you can see, we have now one transaction. So guys, you can add as many as you can, and once everything is added, including the income, when you go to the home, you should be able to see here what costs the most, and you will have the category of the chart as well, which is pretty much helpful when you want to know where your money goes. So, guys, this application is very helpful, and make sure to download this in order for you to save yourself from becoming poor or broke and to manage your financial life. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.